guys, so this is pretty much going to show you what Connexus looks like. This is a login screen, and when you log in, if you're the caretaker, it's going to show you everyone that's up under your household. So you will see their grades, if they're on track, which is the little green smiley face, and that will change if they are missing too many live lessons or haven't connected to their teacher at all. This is where you will log attendance as well. As the caretaker, you can log it all at one time. Meaning that you can log that day for all of your students at once, or you can do them separately if they do different hours. Excuse me. You can click on your students' calendars. It will show you what they have for the week, or you can change it to view the day. I like to do the week. You can also do the month, but I just think that that's too overwhelming for me. So I do by the week. That way, if you like to plan out your week, you definitely can do that. So right now we're looking at my first graders weekly calendar. They're on spring break this week, so of course that's going to be nothing. But the next following week, she has a full schedule. Pixie, what are you doing? So basically, this is pretty much where you're going to go to for everything. You can see their grades. You can always log in and see their grades. It's never held from you. There isn't a time frame of when you have to log in. You can log in at 1 o'clock in the morning and look at their grades if you would like. This also has, I lost my train of thought, but you have your own planner as well, where if you have things that you want done, you can put it on your calendar as a reminder as well. So it's kind of like a planner for you. There's a virtual library that you have access to that they also have access to on their logins. I tried to search a few things to see what would come up because I haven't used it this year, but different things come up in it. I don't know why I just wanted to search that, but I was just that was the first thought that came to my mind. But you can search different things in the virtual library, and when you search it, it'll tell you if that subject is available or not. When I searched that topic, this is what came up for me. I was trying to search the cat in the hat, but yeah. So I think it's basically like a virtual library for when they're doing like research projects and stuff like that. So that's what that can be used for. You can also look at the school directory. If there is someone that you know that goes to the school, you can search them if they have selected that they can be searchable in the school directory. There's also a message board that's for learning coaches. And the kids also have their own message board as well. But yeah, Connexus is really pretty much very straightforward. It literally lists everything that you need right on the front page. Their teachers, you as the caretaker, your to-do list, which recorded attendance is always on there because they want you to do that every day. Overall, you guys, Connexus is really easy to use, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.